Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Boyoka.
Take your seat.
Thank you, Sir Boyoka.
So today we're gonna have a quiz. Get one advance.
No, this exam is way too hard. I should have listened to Sir Franz while discussing. Now I don't know what to do.
Kani lisod tanaw tagan Sir KB perfect na kudana ni suya ni sila ron.
Wow, this exam is so easy. I can finish this early.
Patay. Wala pa jud ko katuon. Bahala na ni oy.
Unsa man taon niya akong answer? Uy, wala man is this paper. Pataka lang kog solve.
Hey class, time is up. Pass your papers now. That's all for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you, Sir Franz.
Bro, how much you scored during the exam? I only got 0 right.
Bro, look, I got 50 over 50 because exam is too easy.
Guys! Gusto niya akong score eh. Napagagtuon ko gabi eh. Yes, nakakuha dito 35. Okay ra na ako eh. Bubuhat dito ang ganyan best.
One, two. I got 50 over 50 because exam is too easy.
Go. Go.